Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had told you about if statement. Today we are discussing about if else statement in Python. Okay, as we can see here in the image, here is the condition. Okay, so if condition is true, then if block code is executed. Okay, and if condition is false, then else block code is executed. Okay, if the condition in the if statement is false, the block of code inside else statement will be executed. Okay, so here is the example. Let's open your editor. I'm using here Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm writing here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and just write it here if statement. So I'm writing here if and enter your condition here. So I'm writing here a less than b, and just print it here b is greater than a. Okay, and after that enter your else condition. So I'm writing here else, and let's print this a is greater than b. Okay, click on run. So as you can see here is showing b is greater than a, because here a's value is 10 and b's value is 20, and here if condition is true, so that's why here is showing b is greater than a. Okay, so let's change this value. A is equal to 101. Again run this code. So here is showing a is greater than b, because here first condition is false, that is an if condition a is less than b. Here code will be executed in else statement, so that's why here is showing a is greater than b. Okay, so here first condition is false in if statement, so else block code is executed now, so that's why here is showing a is greater than b. Let's talk about with using logical operators with if else statement. Okay, you can combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and or not. Okay, so I'm writing here age is equal to 27, city is equal to Delhi, and enter your condition here. So I'm writing here if age greater than 18, and enter your second condition. So I'm writing here city is equal to Delhi. Okay, and let's print it here, you are eligible, else not eligible. Okay, click on run. As you can see here is showing you are eligible, because here both the condition is true. Okay, age is greater than 80, that is true, and city is equal to Delhi, that is true. Okay, that's why here is showing you are eligible. Okay, so let's change this value. So I'm changing here age is equal to, let's suppose 10, city is equal to Delhi. Okay, and again run this code. So here is showing not eligible, because in AND condition both the conditions should be true. So here only one condition is true, that is city is equal to Delhi. Okay, so that's why here else block code is executed now, so that's why here is showing not eligible. So let's talk about with another example. Okay, so I'm changing here or keyword, if age greater than 18 or city is equal to Delhi. Okay, as you can see here is showing you are eligible, because in or condition one condition will be true. Okay, so here in both condition one condition is true, that is city is equal to Delhi. Okay, so next, if ELIF statement, if the previous condition is not true, try this condition. Here previous condition is if statement. Okay, so let's open your editor. I'm writing here a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. If a is greater than b, so just write it here, print a is greater than b. Okay, and after that write here else statement. So I'm writing here print b is greater than a. Okay, so we have to add ELIF statement, so we can add after if statement. Okay, so just write it here ELIF and enter your condition here. So I'm writing here a is equal to 10, and let's print this. This is ELIF statement. Okay, click on save. So here is showing this is ELIF statement, because here first condition is false. If a greater than b, that is false, because here a's value is 10 and b's value is 20. So first condition is false, that's why ELIF code block is executed now, because here a is equal to 10, that is true. Okay, like this you can use ELIF statement in Python. So this is the if else statement in Python. If you have any query related this, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.